Good morning for this Wednesday, April 17th. And I want to take a look here at the British pound. We were short this market, if you recall, at 153.37. All right, 153.37. I don't have a pen today because my other computer kind of crashed and I'm not able to get my little marker here, so I apologize. So we went short as the market took out the low of this pattern here on the 16th. Now, actually, no, we took out, once we took out this low right here, which was the 12th of last week. So Monday is when it penetrated down through that low when we went short at 153.37. Initial stop loss was right up in here. We were looking to take profits down in here at 152.62. The market came down to 152.69. And then what we did yesterday, okay, I tend to be a little conservative. So what I did when it came within 7 pips of hitting that first profit target, I moved that stop down to 153.30, okay, to lock in 7 pips on an intraday basis. And the market did come up. It nailed me. I took 7 pip profit, and as you can see today, look at this. The market's all the way down to 152.22. So the market's dropped considerably. Again, our first profit target was 152.62. We moved our stop. We locked in 7 pips. Pretty much a break-even trade. Market came up yesterday, knocked me out, gave me 7 pip profit. Now look at this. Market's getting slammed again, down to 152.22. It would have not only hit that first profit target, but we'd be down, 40 pips from that profit target. So I'm flat the British pound right now. Okay. There's 2 stocks that I want to take a look at today that look like they're really coiling up. They're really contracting. The energy's really building here. The first one is ETP, Energy Transfer Partners. Okay, as you can see, the market's made a nice pullback off this high here. It's come down. We're at the 50 exponential moving average, this hot pink line, right? Market busted down through it here on the day that the market sold off on Monday. We got an inside pattern, and we got another inside pattern so far today. Now I know it's a little early so far, right? It's a little early in the day, but still, I have a feeling that the market's going to just contract again today, and it is so far on this stock. So it's looking for a nice setup to the upside tomorrow. I would love to see this market create that inside pattern where the high is lower than the prior bar's high and the low is higher than the prior bar's low. And then tomorrow I would be ready to buy it if it broke up through that high. But again, it's a little early in the day, and today's not over yet, so we may create an inside pattern yet. Another one that I see is Yum Brands, YUM, stock symbol YUM. Look at the 50 exponential and the 200 exponential are pretty much sitting on top of each other. Market's really starting to contract in this area in here. So I'm going to look to see if we can get, contraction throughout the day. If the market here is not able to break through yesterday's low or yesterday's high, I would be looking to buy this market tomorrow if it pops up through the high of today so far. So those are really the stocks that I'm looking at. Again, ETP, Transfer Partners, LP, right? Stock symbol ETP, and then the second one is YUM. Those are the 2 that I'm looking at. Let's go to the general market, the S&P 500. Yesterday was an inside pattern, right? If you recall, Monday sold off quite a bit, but we really haven't had any follow through so far. Okay, the market has not been able to test Monday's low yet. I would expect the market to come back down to try to at least test the low of Monday here. And if we are able to successfully break it, I would expect the market to be sucked down to the 50 exponential and probably even test this low that was put in on April 5th. So that's what I'm kind of looking for if the market comes down. If the market is not able to come down to these lows, and rather we just consolidate in here, I would expect the market to resume back up and try to retest this high. Now remember, when the market traded up to 1593 in the E-mini S&P 500 futures, remember, we're getting, a psychologically strong resistance number, right? The 1600 in the S&P is 1600.00 is a big number. and we came within 7 S&P points of that. So we'll see what happens today. Again, our watch list for today is ETP and Yum Brands. All right? Have a profitable day, and I'll be back with you tomorrow. Bye for now.